Automatically synchronize your CAD bill of materials with ERP. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides an innovative approach to automatically synchronizing SolidWorks CAD model parameters with ERP to provide accurate and timely information throughout your manufacturing enterprise. As you launch your parts and assemblies into SolidWorks, Global Edge automatically analyzes each part file and stores the part parameters into a database that is easily shared with other systems. As the operator makes changes to parts and assemblies, those changes are reflected real-time in the Global Edge database. Global Edge will automatically synchronize your CAD models with an optional connection to your ERP system. Global Edge integrates SolidWorks with your manufacturing enterprise to provide accurate information, starting at the design source. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.